Alright, good morning everybody. As you can probably hear in the background, traffic has absolutely returned to the freeway behind my house. Well, in front of my house, because the garage is in the back. So I don't know how much noise that's going to bring through today. But I did go through and retime the EM1 to be at top dead center for the spark. I think that's going to slow it down a little bit when it runs. I have my RPM thing out, and then I have the lower springs and everything on all of the other engines. So we'll try and start those and see how slow they run today. But first we'll get the EM1 going. Let's see, spark is on, and I haven't touched the needle. There we go. Alright. There we go. When I cleaned the other engines, they were all full of carbon buildup from running the 40-to-1 oil since I got real scared with the ET8. And since I don't have a good way to clean the ET or the EM1, get the valves out of it, I switched back to the Coleman white gas without any oil in it, and I'm just going to oil the engine from the outside. So we'll get this warmed up and take some new readings on it.